Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my morning routine, but first I want to thank Jake and Leo for sponsoring today's video. They sent me this beautiful kettle that can be used to make tea, of course, but also can be used to make pour over coffee. And I have never tried that before, but heard wonderful things about it, about the flavor being a lot stronger, and so I wanted to give it a try. So you guys will see more of them in the upcoming video, but I just wanted to thank them for sponsoring today's video. I used my coffee from Magnolia from my girls trip, and it really was so good. The design of the kettle really helps bring out the flavors when you slow pour that water. So the first thing I do in the morning is make my bed, and you guys will have to excuse the boxes. We are getting ready to move. The next thing you're gonna see here in my routine is that I always let out the dogs, and I go around and open up all of the blinds in the house to let the sunlight in. Next up, I get laundry started every single day. I don't always fold it, but I definitely always wash it. Next up, I get myself ready. I was going very low maintenance this morning. I brushed my teeth, washed my face. I was going to the gym, so I definitely was not getting ready, but I always wash my face, brush my teeth, and then here are some of the things that I put on my face just so I don't walk around scaring people. A little concealer, a little mascara, and I'm good to go. Another thing I always do, which is probably so silly to some of you, is lay out my clothes the night before. And then I start helping my kids get ready for the day. So I still have a little one that needs her teeth brushed, sometimes needs help with that, gonna do her hair, kind of get everybody situated for the day. We have a timer that she's been using to make sure she's brushing long enough, and then I go ahead and do her hair for her. I also do my boys' hair, and even my oldest daughter still needs me to do her hair some days. So I help get all the kids ready before we go downstairs. We go down all together, so that way I'm not having to call kids up and down the stairs. The next thing that I do when I get downstairs is go ahead and start putting away the dishes that were drying on the counter overnight. I like to start with a clear counter, especially in this rental home. I don't have a ton of counter space, so I needed to clear that off. Then I go ahead and start making breakfast for everybody. The kids were just having a bagel toasted with peanut butter and some fruit, and kept it really easy that day. But then I went ahead and made myself some eggs to go along with my breakfast. We were out of bagels at that point, so I went ahead and had an English muffin for breakfast. I love breakfast. It's my favorite meal of the day. Next up in our morning routine is chores, and you can see unloading the dishwasher is a very popular chore in my house. My oldest was doing that, and my youngest was wiping down the sink in the downstairs bathroom that everybody uses to wash their hands. That sink gets super gross, and so it needs to be cleaned quite often. The next thing that I do in our morning routine is lay out all of the things we're going to need for school that day, kind of set up the morning basket, and then lay out the table with all of the kids' individual subjects in their seats. So when we get back from the gym, all of their things are out for them, and I just find that it helps us transition into our homeschool day a little bit better. So I like to have all of that set out. Now finally, I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee using my new Jake and Leo kettle. You can notice that it is a really pretty kettle, and you definitely want to display this on your stovetop. But here I have all of the things that I need to make pour over coffee, some ground coffee, a filter, and then I went ahead and just boiled my water, which you can see here. The spout of this is what makes the coffee so flavorful, because it controls the amount of water that goes through the coffee at a certain speed, and so it really brings out the flavors. It makes the coffee way more flavorful. So you can see here, it's really easy to make, but I'm having fun with this. If you like coffee, you should definitely give this a try. I will have it linked down in my description box for you guys, but I was a skeptic, quite unsure if I was actually going to taste a difference, but I actually did. The coffee tasted a lot smoother, and it was just really, really good, and I totally was excited to sit down and enjoy my coffee while I read my Bible. All I put in my coffee is just a little bit of half and half, and I don't add any sugar. I like to keep my coffee sugar free, but yeah, this cup of coffee was really, really good. So finally, I get to sit down and read my Bible. Like I said, I was reading in the book of James on that particular morning, and was really just enjoying my time. I don't always get this much time, but on this morning, the kids were cooperating. And so here's a little bit of what I was reading. After I'm done reading the Bible, I go ahead and clean up the breakfast dishes so that when we come home from the gym, I don't have a mess in the kitchen. I like to have everything ready to go so I can just focus on schooling. On my way to the gym, I always like to turn on some worship music and definitely sing as I head to the gym. It really, really helps me center my mind and heart for the day. And once I arrive at the gym, I go ahead and check the kids into childcare. I always get asked, where do they go? They go in childcare. And then I work out for about an hour before we come home and we start our homeschool day. And that is my morning routine. I definitely have a system and a structure and a routine, and love when everything falls into place. It doesn't always happen that way, but this was a pretty good morning where I felt like I had a good handle on the day. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys watching every single week. Please give this video a thumbs up.